Hi guys, are you looking for the best ThermoPro digital meat thermometer? In this video, we will show the best ThermoPro digital meat thermometer. So we're going to be taking a look at the best 5 ThermoPro digital meat thermometers you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages, and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ThermoPro digital meat thermometers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ThermoPro TP829 1000-foot wireless meat thermometer. The ThermoPro TP829 is a thermodynamic thermometer for the barbecue lover who likes their freedom. This unit will work for the barbecue lover who does not want to be restricted by finicky app-centric smartphone applications. It uses RF technology that allows you to maintain a rock-solid link from as far away as 1,000 feet. There's no complex setup or need to share personal data upon initial use, and it is ready to use as soon as you open the box. Additionally, the TP829 has 4 color-coded probes, allowing you to monitor multiple types of meat at the same time. The TP829 also features a large backlit screen that shows you the temperature of each type of meat most of the time, or so some say. There are 10 different USDA-approved preset cooking temperatures, which come with alarms to make sure your food is cooked properly. While some users have complained that the base unit does not have built-in magnets for mounting purposes, it is still an excellent choice based on its design and function. The ThermoPro TP829 is an excellent option for anyone who likes to barbecue, whether you are an expert chef or a backyard barbecue enthusiast. Number 2. ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. The ultimate partner for any chef who wants a professional quality product without all of the hassle is the ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. The fast response time of this instant read, 3 to 4 seconds, will give you accurate results on your food with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The TP19H has a unique 2-inch auto-rotating backlit display that rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to easily see the thermometer no matter your dominant hand or the light level in which you are cooking. To save battery life, 3,000 plus hours, the motion-sensing sleep and wake function activates the thermometer only when opened or moved. Cleanup is easy due to its IP65 waterproof rating, and the magnetic back and hanging hole allow for convenient storage on the refrigerator or grill. Users of the TP19H will rave about how long it lasts, as well as how much accurately it continues to read after calibration from year to year. The TP19H is an essential 5-star item for anyone looking for a high-quality and low-cost tool to help take the guesswork out of cooking on a grill. Number 3. ThermoPro TP02S Digital Food Thermometer. ThermoPro TP02S Digital Food Thermometer is a great choice when looking for both safety and simplicity. It features a 5.3-inch stainless steel probe that will keep your fingers away from the flames while cooking, whether you're frying, making candy, or perfecting sourdough bread. This thermometer works extremely well for all types of food because it can measure temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Where this thermometer shines above others is in its durability. Many of ThermoPro's customers have reported that their TP02S digital food thermometer has survived falls, submergence in water, and high heat that would damage lesser devices. The thermometer includes a simple Celsius-Fahrenheit selector, an auto-off battery-saving function, and a protective cap for the probe tip to allow for safe storage in crowded utensil drawers. The TP02S provides an almost instantaneous temperature reading, but for accuracy, it is advisable to wait an additional 2 to 3 seconds before checking the reading. The thermometer also features a convenient hanging hole and is supplied with a battery, making it a practical upgrade from the old, hard-to-read analog dials.
Number 4. ThermoPro TP620 Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP620 Instant Read Meat Thermometer can determine the precise temperatures within a few seconds, and so the defining feature of this product is speed, because it has a thermocouple sensor that allows determining the precise temperatures within 2 to 3 seconds. The large 2-inch screen swivels so it turns itself 180 degrees so both lefties and righties can see the screen without having to twist their wrists. Although some users have complained that the screen is hard to read in high-intensity direct sunlight, the backlit display is typically bright at night when doing grilling or baking in the house. It also has motion sensing technology that activates the unit when touched, and you will not need to mess with buttons. In addition to its quick reaction, the IP65 water-resistant rating and anti-slip grip, it is also durable enough to be used in heavy-duty around the sinks or hot grills. It has a magnetic back to store easily and a calibration option to check the accuracy of its plus or minus 0.9 degrees F, which allows professional cookers to get the perfect results. Number 5. ThermoPro TP610 Digital Meat Thermometer. Revolutionizing the way you multitask in the kitchen, the ThermoPro TP610 Digital Meat Thermometer pairs a folding instant read probe with a programmable wired probe for dual temperature monitoring. This versatile system allows you to track 2 different foods simultaneously, using smart alarms to signal exactly when your meal reaches its target doneness. Featuring an eco-friendly rechargeable battery and NSF certification, the TP610 provides reliable 3 to 4 second readings with plus or minus 0.9 degrees F accuracy. Its IPX5 waterproof housing protects an auto-rotating backlit display that remains easily readable from any angle. Adding extra utility, the rugged design incorporates a handy bottle opener and a magnetic back for quick storage on your refrigerator or oven. Although the magnet's grip depends on your mounting surface, the device's ability to handle everything from delicate fish to large roasts makes it a high-value asset for any chef. Experience professional-grade precision and effortless operation in one compact, durable package. That's all from my end. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.